Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to be on first page on Etsy website. So first of all, and of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this home page and with the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are now logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option, so instead of those icons, if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and of course it will be much faster. Once you are finished, or once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself, as we said, here with this homepage and with the welcome back sentence. And as we said on the beginning of the video, you would like to be on the first page on Etsy website. So like those items, you would like your items to be here on this first page. So of course, let me just go to my shop manager and let me just go to the listing. So of course here, your listing, of course, if you already have a shop and you have a listing, you'd like your listings to be on the first page on Etsy website. So of course, I have 3 steps for you. So how to make your listings more visible, and just 3 simple steps. So first of all, you'd like to optimize your listing for Etsy search engine. Getting the right set of keywords into your description is vital if the sellers want to rank more highly in search results. Of course, you can also create compelling product description. And lastly, you would like to update and diversify your Etsy store. Make sure these 3 visible steps will actually increase the chance of your listing to be on the first page of Etsy website. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.